Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are all having a great time. Today we will make Dum Aloo. This dish goes equally well with both roti and rice varieties. This is quite easy to prepare and tastes delicious. Here I have taken half a kg of baby potatoes, which roughly comes to 20 in numbers. Bring it to a single whistle. We don't want our potatoes to be overcooked. Mine has got cooked about 90%. Once it cools down, peel off the skin. Into the pan, add some oil. Here I have used sunflower oil. As the oil turns hot, add our potatoes in. Here I am shallow frying the potatoes. You may deep fry as well, as per your preference. Turn the sides until it is light brown in color. Once this is achieved, take it out and keep it aside for a while. We also need one medium-sized onion chopped finely. Into the same pan, add some more oil and our chopped onion goes in. Saute well until it turns slight brown in color. Into it goes 4 pods of garlic along with a small piece of ginger. Keep mixing for 1 to 2 minutes. Now switch the flame off, and once it cools down, blend this into a smooth paste. Into the pan goes some oil. Here I am using sunflower oil. Add about 3/4 of a tablespoon of jeera seeds. As soon as it splutters, add bay leaf. As powdered spices, we need 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon fennel powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala powder. We need red chili powder. Here I have taken 3/4 of a teaspoon of red chili powder. Adjust as per your spice preference. And 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Add the powdered spices. Give it a quick mix followed by some water to prevent it from burning. Into this goes ginger, garlic and onion paste. In the meantime, take 1 cup of non-sour curd in a bowl and whisk well until the lumps are completely dissolved. Now add the curd in. Keep moving the ladle often until bubbles start appearing on the gravy. Otherwise, there is a chance that curd might get split. Once it starts to boil, add the potatoes in. I lost the video that I had taken of adding the potatoes. Adjust salt according to your preference. Now close and cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until the potatoes are done completely. Now the potatoes are done. Into the blender, add a quarter cup of cashew nuts, which roughly comes to 13-14 in numbers. Blend this into a smooth paste, adding a few tablespoons of water. Add the cashew nut paste into the gravy. Mix well and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. This gravy has a tendency to get thicker as it sits. Now switch the flame off and transfer it into a serving dish. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.